Right, here we go. Got my new screen. That's been re-exposed. I've got some latex gloves now as well. This is the water-based palette adhesive that I'm going to be using from now on rather than using the glue spray. Got a palette knife to spread the ink about because I was using a ruler because I didn't have anything else to hand, and that just got messy way too soon. I've got another bed sheet, a little cheap bed sheet. What I'm going to do with this one actually this time is instead of just print and then move it along, print and move along, I'm going to cut this down into little squares because I couldn't check my work because it was all gathering and the ink was just going everywhere, so I had nothing accurate to check on my progress. So I think that would be a better way to work. And I've also got a shower cap, not for me, for the fire alarm, to stop that guy from going off every 2 minutes when you use the heat gun. So gonna get stuck back into this. Hopefully today will be a lot more productive. So this is episode 4B of starting a streetwear brand. So the first thing on my list today is to cut this squeegee down. I mean, look at the size of it, it's massive. So I'm getting way too much tension on either side of the mesh. So I'm gonna get the saw out and cut this guy down a bit. So although there's all these various tutorials online about getting that pull technique right, there's just nothing that can prepare you for it other than just practicing it. So I was actually really glad that I took the time to cut out all these individual sheets and just work on it. I must admit I was having a bit of a nightmare with the screen sticking to the platen on a few occasions, but it was good to practice that off contact as well and try and get that right, because that's, as soon as I got that right, that was a complete game changer. And just feeling the snapback of the screen once I'd finished the print. So I think although it was a bit of a tedious task cutting them all out and redoing them, I think it was worthwhile just to get a good idea without ruining too many garments. But let's be honest, I was only ever going to do a few of these before my patience wore thin. Happy with how these are coming out now. I mean, look at that. That is exactly what I was after. Feels nice and solid as well. So yeah, I'm going to crack on and do some more garments. God, what a day. I am absolutely battered. I've just been smashing prints out on that press all day. I haven't had a chance to do much filming because I just wanted to concentrate and get it done right. And I'm really, really happy with how things are coming out. I've got a couple of samples I'll show you now. So this is the standard tee they're going to be doing. It's a really nice 240 heavyweight. And yeah, I mean, I'm so chuffed with this print. I mean, this is exactly what I would expect to come back from a print shop. So the fact that I can do that in-house, I'm just so chuffed about that. I cracked on as well and did some hoodies too because I had these ready to go. So yeah, these are looking cool. Yeah, so yeah, big milestone. Feel like I made a lot of leeway today. So really chuffed with how that's going. I've got to do the front chest prints now. And I'm actually going to change them a little bit now. I think I'm going to just do the coordinates. I think I'm going to keep that simple for some of them, and then have the graphic with the globe and the man. I'm going to have that for like some shorts and some joggers on the top. I think that might be quite nice. And that's the good thing about it though, because I've got that screen. I can just play around with various different things. So yeah, so excited to see how those come together tomorrow. Got to do the hem tags as well and neck label prints, and then some of the garments as well are going to have a neck label too. So need to get all those sorted. So yeah, great day. Really chuffed with how things are going. I'm absolutely battered. So I'm going to go home, have a beer, put my feet up and chill out. So anyway, see you on the next episode, where we'll be going into a little more detail and getting these garments looking really tight. So anyway, thanks for watching and see you next time.